Let's talk about classes, their ideas and concepts. And of course, they are not specific to C++, but true to other object-oriented programming languages like Python, Java, right? So you can think of a class as a concept in a program, right? A concept is an expanded version of data structure, which is a collection of data values that in computer science, right? That enable efficient access modification mechanisms among them. So you can think of this class being a user-defined type. Generally, we have this. At runtime, however, through instantiation, which basically means that instantiation, right? It becomes what we call object. And this is very important. At runtime, these objects could be anything, right? So in real world example, let's just say if we want to mimic a Windows screen, you can actually define a class called Windows screen, or let's say a dialog box, right? It doesn't really matter what this is, or even a robot. And these are user-defined types, okay? So you can think of these as a data type. So at runtime, and this is runtime, right? These data types become objects, right? These objects have memory space associated with them, and they are typically allocated either on a heap or on a stack. It doesn't really matter. But this class, you can think of it as a building block for larger programs. So in a large programs, you could have hundreds of thousands of these classes, or perhaps at runtime objects, right? Strewn all over the places, and they interact with each other. In the next slides, we're going to go through some of the classes, public and private, or even protected member functions, properties that indicate all of the operations a class user can perform on the object. And then we're getting to the details of what a class looks like.